Again, congratulations to our newlywed. You will now proceed for our pictorial sequence. Both parents of the couple, please be ready. Both
Ready, head forward. Ready, one, two, smile. Okay, head closer pa po. Ready, one, two. Okay, next. Okay, one more po. Smile.
siblings of the bride, please come forward po. Stay lang po, parents of the bride. Mga kapatid po,
Okay, one more. Sige,
to
sabay
all the
natin.
relatives of the bride, both sides po, please be ready.
Okay, ready, and one, two, smile.
Lahat po ng kamag-anak ni bride, both sides po, please come forward. Stay lang po, immediate family.
Okay, mas closer pa. Ready, one, two. Okay, next.
You may now take your seat po. Thank you. Parents of the group, please come forward po. Be ready.
Okay, one more, and one, two. Stay lang po.
Siblings of the group, please come forward po.
Here, smile. Okay,
To all
one
the
more.
relatives of the group po,
Extended.
extended family of the group, please come forward. Ilang po tayo sa side po.
Okay, one more. Okay, stay lang. Okay, one more po. Ready, and one, two. Okay, mas closer pa. Ready, and one, two. Okay, thank you po.
Secondary sponsor, Kailan Bilang Court,
Okay, mas
please be
closer pa po.
ready.
Ready, and one, two, smile. Okay, thank you po.
Secondary sponsor po, Carmen University po, ready na po tayo sa side po.
Okay, thank you po.
Okay.
Okay, closer. Ready, and one, two, three. Okay.
Flower girl and po.
Okay, one more. Ready, one, two, three, smile. Okay. Okay, one more po. One, two.
To all the friends and co-workers of the couple,
Okay, now ready, and one, two, smile. Okay, closer po. Ready, and one, two. Okay.
thank you po. To